Good morning, guys. Good morning. Welcome back. And guys, today we have another video. Sai, tunaenda 840 840 Mbao. Naam. So guys, I'm in the place called Chakaka, a famous hotel that you will find when you are coming to our town, because that road is Muranga Road and Nyeri Road. So yeah guys, I'm just waiting my friends here. That was one of them, and we are heading to a place called Muranga. One of our friend has lost his father, so we have come together so that we can escort him and show him support. Yeah, at least he will see us and he will feel happy. That's why I'm just waiting, and the first one, as you can see, that is my bike, and no one is here, but after 20 minutes I believe everyone will be here. So guys, stay tuned. Now what I will do, I will just enjoy Marwa videos through my phone. Yeah, waiting time. Amigos. So guys, we have arrived at the burial place, and we are waiting for the hearse. So we are just here staying with my friends, watching the riverside. Finally guys, we are back home after 3 hours, let's say 3 hours. And first I want to thank God, because anything without God and also to thank all my friends and all of us who went to Baba Oscar to escort. And I believe yeah, that appearance has meant a lot to our brother Oscar. So Oscar, we will pray for you, take your time, everything will be fine, and the life will always go on. So right now I'm back home, and I just ran from the burial place before even them finishing, because I got a call, and there was someone that we had agreed that I must took him by what, saa saba, by 1, yeah, by 1 o'clock I should take him, and I've done that. So I decided to come back home and do other things. Also I was so hungry, so I've come also to eat. And yeah, I was so exhausted because I wake up 5:30, because there were other people that I was taking to the town center in the morning. So I wake up very early in the morning, and right now I'm just at home. Just want to say that we are back, and village videos will be coming, and we will be doing our best. We will be trying to be together, guys. I see most of the people are unsubscribing. They are going, I don't know where they are going, but it is okay. If you feel I don't bamba you, I cannot force you to be in my community. So for those people who are watching and enjoying my videos, thank you so much, and God bless you so much. I don't take it for granted. You know, all of us YouTubers, most of us, what we want in a YouTube career is that community. And if you don't have the community, then you start feeling giving up. And but for me, I will try my best. I will never give up. I will try to do videos the way I can. So yeah guys, let us be together. Subscribe to 1K. Right now we are 595, and we are doing great. So guys, we have come back home, and this is our kitchen. I see we have something here, cooking. I think my mom is preparing mango bananas with tomato potatoes. Yeah guys, so I think I will end up my video here and say thank you so much for always watching my videos. And also on 29 we are going to our friend Mama Favor. Let us meet there also to support her at least. Yeah, we will try our best. So guys, bye bye.